It's a certified 2014 Mercedes-Benz SL Class. Nothing's quite as romantic as an iconic Roadster, and nothing's as desirable as the athletic performance of this SL. It's well equipped with the features you need. Twin-turbo V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop-start feature, power retractable hardtop, wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather adaptive bucket seats, command integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, keyless go, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend reports the SL65's secret weapon is the 6-liter direct injection twin-turbo V12, which produces 621 horsepower and a stump-pulling 738 pound-feet of torque. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,